because
well, we have Brandon McDowell, but he's in the burnout box, just kind of standing there. Somebody's
we got some.
Blue jean baby, Holley lady. This is what you call ice in the kicker.
Go ahead. Yep, Brandon McDowell. Bam, yeah. Top 16.
It's official. Brandon McDowell and the ISR Performance 350Z will be moving into the top 16.
Whole car is insane.
Here we go. Taylor Hall giving chase, giving a little bit of space maybe to try to close that gap as he works his way throughout the track. A lot of angle. Oh, wow. Coming through the touch and go into zone 2. A lot of smoke. Oh, Holt trying to make it through that weather that storm of smoke, but here they come through the transition. Wow. 3. A lot of smoke. Yeah, Brandon McDowell really putting down a solid chase, or lead line, sorry. Solid lead line. That was very good. I don't know.
I'm surprised by that.
Yeah.
I mean, Taylor Hall has one of the fastest vehicles here, and
he does.
Brandon really kind of like.
In the practice, I get a run behind McDowell, and that car is fast.
Yeah.
And it makes a ton of smoke.
Yeah, it does. So as we can see, I got Brandon McDowell is definitely going into the advantage into the second.
Yeah.
To the second run.
Yeah, he had a perfect lead line.
He did.
And Taylor Hall is just trying to do everything he can to stay with him, but
it's interesting, right? Because Taylor Hall's been hooking up so well.
Yeah. Taylor's car, the entire series has been very fast, but
maybe Taylor Hall is like playing it easy. Thought maybe underestimated Brandon McDowell's power in his grip to set the pace for.
Here we go.
Star-studded round.
Let's find out.
All right, Brandon McDowell. He's not going to give him an inch. He's going to get right on his door right away. And he does. Look at that. Maintaining that proximity, coming around.
Oh, whoa,
dropping a tire, coming to a touch and go. Whoa, almost. Wow. I don't know if that was major correction or if there was actually a little bump action. Let's see here, but Brandon McDowell trying to get back in the pocket there. Able to get, but he's able to get back, catch back up to Taylor Wolf. Wow.
This is
Wow.
very hard.
So I need to be a judge right now.